Welcome to DelftStack. If you are getting Roblox Error Code 266 and your game keeps disconnecting, this tutorial will show you a quick way to fix it. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Then, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. After the CMD window opens, we need to type a few safe network reset commands. These commands help refresh your internet settings and can fix connection problems that cause Roblox Error 266. Now type the commands that are showing on your screen one by one and press Enter after each command. Wait for every command to complete before entering the next one. This process may take a few seconds. After all the commands are finished, you need to restart your computer. Restarting is important because it allows Windows to apply the network reset changes correctly. Once your PC turns back on, open Roblox and check if the Error Code 266 problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching.